Hello, friends. Welcome back to your channel. I am Jack. Today, we will learn English through a simple, interesting story. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Learning English is easy when you enjoy the story. Just listen and repeat. Ready? Let's begin. It is early morning. The sun is just coming up. The sky is soft orange. Birds are singing. Chirp, chirp. What a peaceful morning. In a small village, there is a young man. His name is Ali. Ali is 22 years old. He is kind, simple, and a little nervous. Today is a very important day. Very important. Why? Because today, Ali is going to the city for the first time. Yes, the big city. Ali feels excited, but also scared. He takes a deep breath. I can do this, he says. His mother is standing near the door. She smiles. Be strong, my son, she says softly. Ali smiles back. Yes, mother, I will try. He picks up his small bag. Not heavy, just a few clothes and a notebook. He loves that notebook. Why? Because he writes English words in it. Every day. He wants to learn English. He wants to speak confidently. But sometimes he feels shy. Do you feel shy when speaking English? It's okay. Ali feels the same. Now Ali walks to the bus stop. The road is quiet. Only a few people are there. An old man is drinking tea. 2 children are laughing. Ha ha! Ali sits on a bench. He looks around. His heart is beating fast. Thump, thump, thump. He whispers, I hope everything goes well. Suddenly, a bus arrives. Big, noisy, crowded. The door opens. The driver shouts, City, city, let's go. Ali stands up quickly. Oh, this is my bus. He gets in. The bus is full, very full. He looks for a seat. No seat. He stands near the window. The bus starts moving, slowly, then faster. The village is going far away. Ali looks outside. Trees, fields, houses, all passing by. He feels something in his heart, a little sadness, but also hope. After some time, a man stands next to him. He looks friendly. He smiles and says, Hello. Ali feels nervous, very nervous, but he remembers his practice. He takes a deep breath. Then he says slowly, Hello. Good, very good. The man asks, Where are you going? Ali thinks for a moment. Then he says, I go city. Not perfect, but okay. The man smiles. Nice. First time? Ali nods. Yes, first time. He feels a little happy. Why? Because he is speaking English. Small words, but real words. This is the beginning. A new journey, a new life, and maybe a new confidence.
The bus is moving faster now. Ali looks outside the window. The view is changing. No more fields, no more quiet roads. Now there are big buildings, tall, shiny, crowded. Wow, Ali whispers. This is the city, the big city. Cars are everywhere. Beep, beep. Horns are loud. People are walking fast. Everyone looks busy. Ali feels surprised, very surprised. So many people, he says. The bus slowly stops. The driver shouts, "City stop! Last stop!" Everyone stands up. Ali stands up too. He holds his bag tightly. "Okay, this is it," he says softly. He steps out of the bus. The air feels different. Noisy, busy, alive. Ali looks around. Left, right, so many roads, so many signs, so many unknown places. Suddenly, he feels a little lost. Where should I go, he thinks. He takes out a small paper from his pocket. There is an address written on it, his uncle's address. He reads it slowly, but he doesn't understand the direction. "Oh no," he says quietly. Ali looks around for help. He sees a man standing near a shop. The man looks friendly. Ali feels nervous again, very nervous. His heart starts beating fast. Thump, thump, thump. But this time he remembers something. Practice, confidence, try again. He takes a deep breath. Then he walks to the man. "Excuse me," Ali says slowly. "Good, very good." The man turns and smiles. "Yes?" Ali shows the paper. "I need help, please." The man reads the address. "Oh, this place is not far," he says. Ali listens carefully, very carefully. "You go straight, then turn left, then right." Ali nods, but inside, he's a little confused. "Sorry," Ali says. "Can you repeat slowly?" "Very good. Excellent sentence." The man smiles again. "Of course." He speaks slowly this time. "Go straight, then left, then right." Ali repeats. "Straight, left, right." "Perfect." Ali smiles. "Thank you so much." The man replies, "You're welcome." Ali starts walking, step by step. He looks around carefully. "Straight," he says. Then he walks more. "Left," then again, "right." Finally, he stops in front of a building, a small building, simple but nice. He looks at the paper again, then looks at the door. Yes, this is the place. Ali smiles, a big smile. He feels proud, very proud. Why? Because he did it. He asked for help, he understood, he reached his destination, in English. He knocks on the door. Knock, knock. The door opens. A man stands there. "Ali," the man says happily. It is his uncle. Ali smiles. "Hello, uncle." His uncle hugs him. "Welcome to the city." Ali walks inside. New place, new life, new journey. But this is just the beginning. Something exciting is coming next.
Ali enters the house. He looks around slowly. The room is small but clean. There is a sofa, a table, and a fan. The fan is moving. Whir, whir. Ah, cool air. Nice feeling. His uncle smiles. "Sit down, Ali," he says. Ali sits on the sofa. He relaxes. Long journey, tired body, but happy heart. His uncle brings a glass of water. "Here, drink this." Ali takes the glass. "Thank you." He drinks slowly. Gulp, gulp. Refreshing, very refreshing. "So, how was your journey?" his uncle asks. Ali smiles a little. "It was good and little difficult," he says. His uncle laughs softly. "Ha ha, that's normal." Ali starts telling his story. "The bus was full. I meet one man. We drink tea.
I speak English. He speaks slowly, simple words, but clear. His uncle listens carefully, very carefully. Then he says, Ali, your English is good. Ali is surprised. Really? He asks. Yes, you just need practice. Ali feels happy, very happy. Confidence is growing, step by step. After some time, his uncle says, Ali, tomorrow we will find a job for you. Ali nods. Yes, I want job. Also, his uncle says, you can join an English class. Ali's eyes open wide. English class? Yes, to improve your speaking. Ali feels excited, very excited. Wow, that is good, he says. Night comes. The city is still noisy. Cars, voices, lights everywhere. Very different from the village. Ali lies on the bed. He looks at the ceiling. He thinks about the day, the bus, the tea, the directions, the conversation. He smiles, a small smile. I did many things today, he says softly. He takes his notebook again, always with him. He writes new sentences. I asked for help. I understood directions. I reached my uncle's house. Then he reads aloud, slowly. I asked for help. Good practice, very good. He repeats again and again. Practice makes perfect. After some time, his eyes feel heavy, very heavy. He closes his notebook. Ah, good day, he whispers. He closes his eyes, slowly, quietly. Sleep comes, deep sleep. Next morning, a new day is waiting, a new challenge, a new opportunity. Ali doesn't know. Tomorrow will change his life. Something big is coming.
It is morning. The sun is shining through the window. Light enters the room. Ali opens his eyes slowly. Morning, he says. He stretches his arms. New day, new energy. He gets up from the bed. He washes his face. Cold water, fresh feeling, very fresh. His uncle is in the kitchen. Good morning, Ali, he says. Ali smiles. Good morning. Better, smoother. His English is improving. They sit together for breakfast. Simple food, bread, eggs, tea. Ali takes a bite. Delicious. His uncle says, today is important. Ali nods. Yes, job. After breakfast, they get ready. Ali wears clean clothes. Simple, but neat. He looks in the mirror. A little nervous, but also ready. Let's go, his uncle says. They leave the house. The city is busy again. Cars moving fast, people walking quickly. Everyone has a purpose. They walk to a small shop. There is a sign. We need a helper. Ali reads it slowly. We need a helper. He smiles. I can try, he says. They enter the shop. A man is standing inside. He looks serious. Hello, the man says. Ali feels nervous, very nervous. His heart starts again. Thump, thump. But he remembers. Deep breath. Hello, Ali says. Good, clear voice. The shopkeeper asks, what do you want? Ali thinks, then speaks slowly. I need job. The man looks at him. Do you have experience? Ali pauses. Little in village shop, he says. The man nods. Can you speak English? Oh, important question. Very important. Ali takes a breath. Yes, little, but I learn every day. Honest answer. Simple, but strong. The shopkeeper smiles a little. That's good, he says. Customers speak English here. Ali listens carefully, very carefully. The man continues, "Okay, I will give you a chance." Ali's eyes open wide. "Really?" he says. "Yes," the man replies. "You start today." Ali feels something big, very big. Happiness, excitement, relief. "Thank you so much," Ali says. His voice is stronger now, more confident. His uncle smiles proudly. "Good job, Ali," he says. Ali starts working. He arranges items. He cleans shelves. He watches customers. A customer enters. "Hello," the customer says. Ali looks at him. Small pause, then, "Hello, how can I help you?" Wow, very good sentence. The customer smiles. "I need a bottle of water." Ali understands. He quickly brings it. "Here," he says. "Thank you," the customer says. "Welcome," Ali replies. Ali smiles inside. Big smile. He did it again. Real English. Real conversation. Step by step, day by day, Ali is changing.
It is afternoon now. The shop is a little busy. Customers are coming and going. Ali is working carefully. He is trying his best. Water bottle, bread, soap. He repeats items in his mind. Focus. Very important. Suddenly, a new customer enters. He looks different. Very strict face. Serious eyes. He walks to the counter. Ali says softly, "Hello, how can I help you?" The man speaks quickly. "Give me 5 packets of sugar, 2 milk packs, and 1 chocolate." Fast, very fast. Ali feels shocked. Too fast. He didn't understand everything. "Sorry," Ali says. "Please, repeat slowly." The man looks a little annoyed. "I said 5 sugar, 2 milk, 1 chocolate." Still fast. Ali's heart starts beating. Thump, thump, nervous again. But he remembers something. Stay calm. He takes a deep breath. Then he says, "Please, slowly. I am learning English." The man pauses, then nods. "Okay. Now slower. 5 sugar, 2 milk, 1 chocolate." Ali listens carefully, very carefully. He repeats in his mind, 5 sugar, 2 milk, 1 chocolate. "Okay," Ali says. "I understand." He quickly takes items, one by one, carefully. Sugar, milk, chocolate. He places them on the counter. "Here you go." The man checks, then smiles slightly. "Yes, correct." Ali feels relief. Big relief. He whispers. After the customer leaves, Ali sits for a moment. Just a moment. He looks down. He thinks, "Fast English is difficult, but I can learn." He opens his notebook, writes, "I asked for repetition. I stayed calm. I completed the order." He reads it softly. Good practice. Very good. His coworker, shop assistant, comes. He says, "Don't worry. First days are always hard." Ali smiles. "Yes, I will improve." Hours pass. The shop becomes quieter. Evening is near. Ali is tired, but happy. He made mistakes, but he also learned. His uncle comes to pick him up. "How was your day?" he asks. Ali smiles. "Tiring, but good." His uncle laughs. "That means you are learning." Ali nods. "Yes, I learned many things." They walk home. City lights are turning on. Yellow, white, bright. Beautiful night. Ali looks at the sky. He thinks, "Today was hard, but I did not give up." He whispers softly, "I am getting better." and for the first time, he truly believes it.